Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here bringing you another product reveal with the St. Patrick's Day Gold 4x6 clear stamp set. So in this stamp set, you're going to get 8 images and 3 sentiments. We're going to stamp those out. I'm going to give you a few details on each of the stamps, and then I have some samples I'm going to share with you at the end of the video. So I just stamped the largest round image in this set, and it reads Lucky Irish across the top, St. Patrick's Day across the bottom, and then it has 2 gorgeous shamrocks in the center of it. The next image was the smallest round image in the set, and it reads It's Your Lucky Day, St. Patrick's Day, with a leprechaun hat in the center. And then that third round image reads St. Patrick's Day, a lucky day for you, and it has a pot of gold in the center of it. So I went ahead and I stamped the banner. I want to show you how easy it is to stamp that St. Patrick's in the banner. The St. Patrick's is sized perfectly, so there's really no guesswork with that, stamping that inside the banner. So let's go ahead and stamp the happy above and the day below. So it reads Happy St. Patrick's Day. Now this set comes with some shamrocks, and you're going to get 2 that are outlines of a shamrock. One's larger than the other one, but they're great for coloring, stamping them and coloring them in with your Copics or colored pencils, whatever medium you choose. And there's also 2 small solid shamrocks in this stamp set, which are going to be great to add fun details if you choose to do your own stamped backgrounds with this set. Now, I do have some samples like I mentioned, and I paired this set with the new St. Patrick's Day slimline paper pack. If you haven't checked that out, you need to. It's linked at the end of the video. You're going to love it. Whimsy knocked it out of the park again with that one. For more information on this product, you can head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website. I have it linked directly below in the description box for you. And until next time, take care.